Welcome to my channel. I'm Miyu. I am a coach who specializes in women's emotional wellness. This channel is all about helping you fall in love with yourself and your life so you can wake up in the morning excited and energized. Notice beautiful things that your life offers and attract what you desire, and go to sleep at night happy and peaceful. In each video, I answer one question that I receive from people and occasionally share some content that I think might be helpful. So with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. Okay, so the question that I'm answering today is, how can I take care of myself when I'm feeling down? Okay, so it's totally understandable that you find it hard to take care of yourself when you're feeling down. You just want to eat junk food and curl up under a blanket and go to sleep. But what I want to tell you is that what you feel like doing, especially when you're feeling down, is what you need the most in that moment, even if it's something you think is bad or unacceptable. So do whatever you feel like doing. It could be taking a nap or eating junk food or watching movies all day. One of the misconceptions about self-care that many people have is that it has to be a spa treatment or doing something good for them. But the truth is, self-care is not just about taking care of yourself physically, but also emotionally. So if you're feeling down, instead of thinking what to do to cheer yourself up, think about how you want to be with yourself in a self-compassion way. For example, when you are stressed out, instead of going for a run to clear your head, think about how you want to be for yourself. Maybe you want to be more kind to yourself. Maybe you want to feel more confident. And once you become clear on how you want to be for yourself, think about what you can do to experience that. So sometimes eating junk food is a way for you to feel relaxed. Or curling up under a blanket and taking a long nap is the best way in that moment for you to feel loved and taken care of. So it's important to remember that your version of self-care may look different from others, and that's okay. So stop thinking about what self-care should look like and start focusing on what it would look like to you. And it can vary every time. One day you may want to focus on what you can do physically, and another time you may want to focus on what you want to feel. So choose the best self-care accordingly. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want to ask me any questions regarding emotional wellness, self-care, self-love, anything like that, you can find the form in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!